Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are back for another video reaction, and we are going to react on a beautiful Russian singer Diana Ankudinova as she sings the song Blizzards. I'm so excited guys because this is the first time that I will hear this song. So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым, со мной кружит белая вьюга. Тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Wow. There you have it guys, the Blizzards by Diana Ankudinova. Another great song from our goddess Diana Ankudinova guys, and the unique and beautiful vocals of Diana is so amazing that when you listen to her guys, the way when you hear her sings, you would definitely love it and you will ask for more of her songs. And her beauty and style is in another level. Guys, Diana, she's getting more and more beautiful in every performance she had. Oh my god. There you have it guys. Hope you enjoy reaction video for today. Blizzards by Diana Ankudinova. And if you want to watch a full video on this, guys, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below, and also her official YouTube channel. Hope you check it, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching.